bathtub every day. Wait, we have a hot tub?
There is many problem during the sleep, of course. Sleep disorder, not sleeping deeply and properly, snoring, which is very important to mention, and also sleep apnea. The word apnea from Latin, it means stop. So sleep apnea patient, they have during their sleep time that there is no more air getting to their body. So that's time vary from 10 seconds to 1 minute. So in order to sleep and to see dream, you should get to stage of REM. REM, it is abbreviation of rapid eye movement. So when the patient or the person sleeping with rapid eye movement, at that stage, he sees a dream. But unfortunately for people who has apnea, who has snoring, sometimes they couldn't reach that stage of sleeping. It means mini implant assisted rapid palatal expansion. So it is a rapid palatal expansion. It is expansion of the palate, but it is assisted by a micro implant. In the middle of the mouth and the palate, we have the bone that is fused around the age of 17. So after 17, this bone, the left and the right of the maxilla, become one bone. So by doing 2 screws on each side from part and the other of the suture, we make two screw, and then with the expansion, we separate, we expand this suture in 2. So we got the bone down. So every time we activate, we open this suture. So this suture is a palate. Then the palate become wider. If the palate become wider, the palate is the roof of the mouth. It is also the same bone. It is the floor of the nose. Patients that have asthma, their asthma become crisis much less. And the people who couldn't breathe from their nose, they start breathing from their nose. And people who snore, there are no more snoring because now we expand the cavity nasal inside. I have a lecture to give in MSAM Hospital in San Nicolas, the 5th of June from 6:30 to 8. And everybody who has apnea or snoring is welcome to attend my lecture. It's supposed to be only for doctors, but I don't mind that the patient to come also to learn about their problem and what is the consequence of not treating apnea. It is dangerous because we may have heart problem, we may have a heart attack and other problems. So it is a question of life or death.
Esakita Erubian, o website